Hello guys, today I'm going to review my gift I got for Christmas, IRobot Braava Jet, and this one 240. And I really wanted it, and so it's what I got for Christmas. I already used it a couple of times. So this one come up with cleaning pads, so I use two from like orange. It's like if you want to do it just kind of wet, and this is like, I use this one for kitchen because it's like kind of say, like, yeah, you see here's like how much wet you want it. So this one is for kitchen, and this I use for my wood floor, and this is dry, supposed to be dry. I didn't use dry one, so but I guess I will use it. And I ordered on eBay a new one, reusable, with pads, so I'm waiting when it's come back. So because I don't want to use just always buy a new one, so I will just use reusable. And reusable I found on eBay, I think for $9.99, something like this, like set of 6. Oh, set of 6, yes. So, and this is like, was very easy to use. So it come up with instruction, but this instruction I like best because it was like very simple. First you charge the battery, and this is the battery. This one already charged. Well, I charged it a couple of days ago, so I hope it's still charged. So, and so you basically plug it, put it in this thing, plug it in, and then you put it in here in little Roomba. I thought it would be a little bigger, but it's kind of small. So let me see if I'm putting it correctly. Yes, you put it here, and then since I'm going to use wet one, so like this instructions actually show you step by step, which is very simple. So you put your wet thing here, like slide it in. It's very simple to use, and you slide it in, so it's there. Then you put water. They show in the picture like how you can do it from the sink. It didn't work for me, so because it's like a very small spot for water, so here, like you can see it, and I just used the this thing, like just pour water with I can't hold it in two hands, so but I just pour water here. Wow, can't open it, so have to hold my, and it's like basically this thing lasts, the battery lasts to clean my kitchen. My kitchen is not so big, and like I have to refill water twice actually. So you just slowly pour the water till it's this full. So, and sometimes like this is why it's better to use, like it's what I figure out, it's better to use something. And you see, like I still had some water from the last time. And then you just close it and press, put it, and they said like to put it in like corner of your, like where you want to start. So I put it here, and then also like I have this divider which is actually work perfect because it doesn't let this iRobot go in my other area. Like you see I have tile here, and I don't want to use super wet on this one, so like this actually work. And I think there's like a setting where I can set it up, but I'm too lazy to do it, so I just like do it simple way, and I think it's ready to go. Let's see. And it's kind of moving, not in like, I don't know yet if I should set it up, but it's actually cleaned my whole kitchen last time, so I'm fine with it. So, and you can see it's slowly moving around. I don't know if it's spraying. Did I see? I don't see if it's spray yet. It's just going, and I like how it goes actually, like by, it's still living stuff, because it's what I figure out. You still have to swipe the floor or use your other Roomba if you have one. If you have some big particle like this I have from my fake Christmas tree, still stuff's here. So, but let's see if it's spraying water. I'm waiting when it sprays some water, so I will. Did it spray it? Looks like it's not. Yeah, it just, I see it just spray some water, and then it's run over the water. and then it's keep mopping, and then at some point it would stop when we, like, well, basically I noticed what it's not spraying water, so I stopped it and added more water. And actually, as I said, battery lasts to clean my kitchen, like entire kitchen, and it's like I have to like put it in couple of times. I move it around because I wanted some areas to be clean more than the other one. But basically, you can just set it up and let it clean, and then it will stop eventually. But only thing, because it's so small, you have to refill water. This is one thing, but actually I'm happy with this iRobot. I really wanted it, and floor looks very clean after it clean it. So, and I'm looking forward to my reusable pads. So this way I can just use it and then wash it after I use it. So here's iRobot Braava, and then like here you see how small it is. This is my hand, basically the size of my hand, but it's like slowly going, and it will go over same place couple of times. It will come back to places. So, and it when I did it in my living room, it stuck once under the TV stand, and I was surprised it's actually went under it. But overall it's very good and it's easy to use, and so I would really recommend you this. It's like make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comments and subscribe.